My name is LB. I'm back. What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can synchronize your video clip in Premiere Pro. Stick around. So now, as you see here, I have some clips I'm going to use. So this is the music audio I'm going to use. So now this is here, I have 4 clips that I'm going to synchronize. So now the things I'm gonna do, I'm going to arrange those clips online. So now I will put this music audio on this A1, on A, V2, V3, A3, V4, A4, just like this. So now after arrange these clips online, so now I'm going to select all by Ctrl+A. After this, then right click on it, then click here on synchronize. So now this window open, it will show me how. So you have to choose on audio, and this track channel 1, it means that I'm going to synchronize your audio on track 1. So you can say on A1 or track 1. So now after, make sure your music you're going to synchronize on track 1, it is on track 1 on A1. So now click OK. So now you have to wait this process. So now my process is done. So now I'm going to check clip by clip if it is matching with my music audio. So now I'm going to close all my clips, and then I mute all my audios. So now first I will open the first clip and the music audio that I synchronize. So let me check how my clip is, if it is matching with my clip. Okay, so now you see my first clip is already done. It is matching with my audio. So now I'm going to check the second one by opening this eye. Okay, and the second one is already done. So let me check the third one. And the third one also, it is very perfect. So this is the last one. Okay, so now all my clips, it is matching with my music audio. So now after this, I'm going to lock these clips, and then I will delete this unnecessary audio. So now after this, after deleting this, so now you can just cut. What about my t-shirt? So perfect. This is the gift from my best friend. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe, like, share, comment. See you in next video.